Ready to bake and boost your baking vocabulary? Let's dive into Hungarian brioche. Ingredients: flour, powdered sugar, melted butter, lemon zest, yeast, milk, vanilla extract, egg yolk. Sift flour and powdered sugar into a bowl. Dissolve the yeast in milk, separate an egg and melt butter on low heat. Gradually mix the yeast mixture and milk into the flour, add a splash of vanilla, the melted butter, the egg yolk and the lemon zest. Now knead the dough until smooth, cover it and refrigerate for 30 minutes. After chilling, divide the dough into equal pieces, form each piece into a ball and chill again for 20 minutes. For the plain version, roll each piece into strands, braid them carefully, and here you are! For the cacao version, mix cacao powder with butter to make the cacao spread. Take a dough ball and divide it into 2 strands. Roll out the strands, spread the cacao cream on each, then fold each strand in half, braid the strands together, place them on a baking tray, brush with egg and let them rise for 20 more minutes. Finally, bake at 180 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes and enjoy the wonderful aroma filling your kitchen.